So pala.
Still short notice, yeah?
Huwag ka lumapit dyan. Stress din, stress.
It's okay, no problem. No, that's okay.
Stressed pa siya eh.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
Daddy, can you touch?
Huwag mo muna i-touch, Bam. At kasi stressed pa siya, galing siya sa biyahe.
Baka kagatin mo.
What's up, Gaston?